Imagine you could hire a research analyst who never sleeps. You hand it one question. 10 minutes later, it comes back with a cited report, a podcast you can listen to on your walk, and a slide deck, all from that one question. Now imagine it cost you nothing, and it runs on your own computer. The company behind TikTok just gave that away for free to anyone. It's called DeerFlow, and it quietly became one of the most talked about open projects of the year. You've probably seen deep research buttons in the big AI tools. You ask a hard question, a magic box thinks for a few minutes, and a polished report appears. They are impressive, but they are closed. You can't see how they work, you can't change them, and your research lives on someone else's server. DeerFlow takes that same idea and turns it inside out, fully open, fully yours, running on your own machine. DeerFlow stands for Deep Exploration and Efficient Research Flow. It was built by ByteDance, yes, the company behind TikTok, and released for free under an open license, which means you can use it and even build on it. You download it, point it at an AI model, and it runs on your own laptop behind your own door. Here is the clever part. DeerFlow is not one chatbot doing everything. It is a team. A planner reads your question and breaks it into a research plan. A researcher goes out, searches the web, and reads the pages. A coder writes and runs real code to crunch numbers and draw charts. And a reporter pulls it all together into one clear, cited write-up. They handwork to each other, each agent doing the one thing it is good at. That division of labor is exactly why it can go deeper than a single model talking to itself. And you are not cut out of the loop. Before the team does any of the work, DeerFlow shows you the plan. You can accept it, or just type in plain English, add a section on cost, or go deeper on the risks, and it rewrites the plan, then runs. You are not doing the research, you are directing it. That is the same skill the whole agent shift is built on. Set the goal, check the plan, let the team execute. Now the part that makes people sit up. Once the report is done, one click turns it into a podcast. It writes a script and speaks it out loud. Another click turns it into a slide presentation. One question in. A report, an audio show, and a deck out. Research that used to take a person a full day, packaged 3 ways in minutes. And it is moving fast. In early 2026, ByteDance rebuilt DeerFlow from scratch. The new version drops the fixed team for something bolder. One lead agent that spawns its own helper agents on the fly, runs their code in safe sandboxes, remembers what it has learned, and keeps working on a single task for minutes, even hours. It went from a tidy assembly line to something that organizes its own workforce. Now the honest part, because the hype videos skip this. DeerFlow is a framework, not a polished app. You bring your own AI model and your own search keys, and running it spends real tokens. It is not magic, and it is not truly free once the model is doing the work. And like any AI, it can get things wrong, which is exactly why it cites its sources and why your 2 minutes reviewing the plan matter so much. But step back. A giant tech company just handed everyone a private, open research team that you can run yourself and bend to your needs. The valuable move is not doing the reading anymore. It is knowing how to direct a team of agents to do it well. That is a skill you can start building this week with a tool that is free to download. Pick that one question you have been putting off and let the team go to work. If you want to actually understand how tools like this work, piece by piece, in plain English, subscribe. Like this if it helped, and tell me in the comments the first thing you would research with your own AI team. And watch the video on agentic AI next, the shift that makes all of this possible.